8:30 right now. Okay. So, hi, this is Chandrima Roy from Kolkata, and I'll be talking to all of you for the next 30 minutes on effective communication class. And as we all know that today's topic of discussion is aspirations. So let's start with Veena. Veena, we will go for a very short and crisp interaction with each other. Tell me what aspirations mean to you.
Like in my life, I have different types of aspiration.
My question is what aspiration means to you.
It's mean a lot to me. If you don't have any goals in your life, then your life is like zero. You are no one in your life. It means a lot for me.
What does that lot includes?
Lot like my social life, my my personal life, and and what I want to achieve in in my career, all the things.
What are your aspirations?
Like if you ask me like career wise, it's first I have to do my B.Ed, which I am going to complete this year, because government has said teacher is incomplete without B.Ed, so that I have to
Okay.
complete B.Ed to join a
Do you
very
know
good
what is the full form of this BEd? What is this
bachelor in
ED stands for?
education.
Okay. So, do you know that what are the basic preliminary stuffs that are being taught in BEd?
Like
Do you have any idea about
how to take the classes, conduct the classes, make red book, lesson plan,
Mhm.
syllabus, how to bifurcate the syllabus. All these things are
So
taught
is
in
it
the
about learning a subject or is it about learning how to teach a subject or how to help people to learn the
both.
subject?
Both they teach both how to
Okay.
teach and how to conduct the classes also they teach. But I have seen lots of B.Ed teacher who are not able to conduct a very good class, and I've seen some of the non B.Ed teacher who are conducting superb classes.
Hmm.
So B.Ed should not be the
So what
criteria.
at for you is the judgmental criteria that differentiates a performer to a non-performer in class?
A teacher should she should be a good performer in the class. Like when she
My
enters.
question, you are missing my questions, Veena. My question was, what according to you is the parameter that differentiates a performer from a non-performer in conducting a class? My question is, what are the parameters?
The first parameter
I'm
is
not asking for a kind of a suggestive answer.
no,
I'm asking for an objectified answer.
the class should be entertaining. What I feel, it should be entertaining. The students should not be bored with the teacher. Like I have seen some of the students who are yawning at the back and thinking when the teacher is going away from the class. The teacher should make the class very entertaining. It should not be very entertaining like there is entertainment. It should be entertaining in all the
Veena,
perspectives.
I am repeating my question again. Why I asked what are the parameters?
This is the
Please listen
parameter.
carefully to
First
the
parameter
question, my
is,
dear.
yes ma'am, parameter is
What is
the,
the parameter? What
for
is a
me,
parameter?
for me, a parameter is a class should be very entertaining.
I am repeating the question again. Your answer is correct, but the presentation of the answer is incorrect. My question was, what are the parameters that differentiates a performer from a non-performer in conducting a class?
A performer
So the
conducts
answer has to be something very specific. It's more about it's not at all about what a teacher should do, what a teacher should not do, what you have seen, what the students do, and what does that indicate in return in terms of the performance of the teachers. It's nothing like that. It is parametric variation, like it has to be some bullet points, one, two, three, four, five, six, like that. Are you getting my point?
yes.
Are
You
you getting my points
yes
now?
ma'am. Yes ma'am. You wanted to know
Engagement of students in class.
yeah, engaging the student.
Engagement of students in the class, one
Yes.
parameter. Depth of knowledge, command over the subject that a teacher is teaching. This is one parameter. Sense of conviction and self belief. This is another parameter. Are you getting my point?
Yes ma'am.
These are the points. If you tell me that somebody is yawning sitting at the last bench of the class and the teacher is absolutely not careful about it, It describes a situation, but it does not address the parameter. The parameter lies hidden in your answer, which is basically failure in engaging students in participating in class. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
That is how you have to craft your answer. Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
So please focus on the question that is being asked. Here the questions and its emphasis was on what are the parametric evaluations. If it is parameter, then it has to be some 1, 2, 3, 4 points itself. It cannot be situations. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
that is something which you have to take very sincere note on, that yes, this is something where I have to contribute. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
It was lovely talking to you, Veena. I wish you all the very best, and may this new year bag a lot of aspirations for you to remain true. Let all your dreams become true in the earliest possibility of option. And my all the best wishes to you. Thank you.
Thank you,
And with
ma'am.
that, shall we move on to Khushbu? Khushbu, can you please turn your video on?
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening and a very happy new year to you.
Happy New Year to you, ma'am.
Okay. What is aspiration to you?
Aspiration is a lot for me. I want good English speaker, so this is my aspiration.
Come again. What was your answer? We
My
cannot hear
aspiration
you.
is to a lot in my life. I want to do better. And hello,
Yes,
hello,
you're audible.
ma'am. I'm audible.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I my aspire to be a good English speaker.
I aspire to be. That is the correct framing, okay? I aspire to
Aspire to
be.
be. I aspire to yes. I aspire to be good English speaker.
Is speaker now? The pronunciation is speaker. Say speaker.
Speaker.
Huh.
Speaker.
Yes, that's right. Drop that E, huh? इसके पहले वो जो E लगा लेते हैं ना आप उसको drop कीजिए.
Yes.
ठीक है? Okay.
Speaker.
How aspiration is
Okay.
different from inspiration?
Ma'am, aspiration is a desire, aim to do something in the life. And inspiration means, so I'm learning here. That's why I'm taking a class.
Okay. So inspirations can help you in achieving your aspirations?
Yes, a lot. Every day. Inspiration give me strength to do something in my life, better in my life.
Okay. What are your aspirations? You have answered one point out of the rest,
Aspirations,
but I'm sure that there are a lot in your checklist. And please don't tell me that I want to take my family to a world tour and that is one my aspiration. I want to be a good mom, that is my aspiration. Those answers I have memorized. Tell me something new that you
okay.
want from yourself in this new year.
Yes, I want to write autobiography and I will complete my aim. It's a strong desire.
See, a very humble suggestion to you, that is when you are talking about aspiration, no? It's something very majestic a word. It's a very big word. Aspiration is something which we all want to achieve in life, and that is something which does not even let us sleep peacefully in night. It is something that drives us day in and day out. So that passion has to be there in your body language, that conviction has to be there. Like if you want to say that I want to be an extremely world class celebrated speaker, so you have to say few more things alongside with that. Otherwise it just looks like I want to be a aloo patal vendi wala and I want to be an extremely good speaker. It's just not that, right? aspiration is something very big for which you people put so much of energy and they invest so much of their life. They put their hard work day and night and what's not, blood and sweat, everything. So please say few more things that you have in your heart that shows that boosts up your answer. Okay, like I want to reach out to the people of the middle class family where women do not get chances to talk. I want to teach them how to talk, how to express what their feelings are to the people around them. I want to make them vocal to reciprocate what their problems are, what are they fighting day in and day out. And I feel that good communication is a tool to a better life for tomorrow. So I want to teach them that how to talk. And for that, I have to be good myself. If I am not good myself, are you going to listen to me? If you find that ma'am does not talk good herself, are you going to listen to me, or are you
Yes.
going to ape me, or are you going to copy me, are you going to follow me? The answer is no, right? So I have to be something very big and vast myself. If I cannot be that, you are not going to follow me. So your answer has to talk like that. Your answer has to show that yes, this is my dream, I want to achieve it, and I will make it happen. जान लगा के जी लगा के बोलना है, ठीक है ना? Am I okay? Am I understandable, Khushbu? My question to you.
Yes.
So इस तरीके से
Hello?
बड़े से सोचना, ठीक है ना? या इस तरीके से सोचना, बड़े मतलब कि बहुत बड़ा से सोचना, दिल लगा के बोलना जस्टिफाई करता है आंसर को. ओके
Okay, ma'am, it's okay to I want to write autobiography on myself. Autobiography is a don't take a word like myself. I want to write autobiography.
I am nobody to let you know that whether your answer
Hello?
is correct or not. Yes, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible? Yes,
Hello?
am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
You're audible.
Yes.
Yeah, I think that there's some issue properly. Okay. So now, Khushbu,
Okay, ma'am.
the point is, I am nobody to tell you that what is right and what is wrong. The only point I have to say is, you have to have enough dream and passion in your mind to make us believe that what you are talking is true. If I tell you I want to become the Prime Minister of India tomorrow,
Okay.
you won't believe it because my answer does not show that. Okay.
Okay.
Thank
Yes.
you. Stay
Okay.
well, stay
Thank
happy. And with that, shall we move to
Thank you, ma'am.
shall we move to Yuvraj? Yuvraj, are you there? Yuvraj?
No, ma'am, he left the class. I think so. Only me
Yeah.
and Khushbu. We both are
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I was saying because I got informed that Yuvraj's father will also be there in the session. So I was
there. Yeah, he was
yeah,
there. I think so. They are
so I
having
was
any
I was
network
trying
issue.
to save some 8 minutes for each of them. So I made a kind of a time arrangement alike. Yeah. So is he going to
Yes, ma'am.
join?
Okay.
Is he going to join
Yes,
there?
ma'am. Don't know.
Let me call him.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'll call him.
So by the time Yuvraj is not there, let me talk to Preeti a bit. Preeti Agarwal, yeah. We are meeting for the first time or not, I don't know, but I can see that you are here with us. Just for the sake of interaction, can you introduce yourself?
Yes, hi. This is Agarwal. I'm studying with BMS Media Science, third year student from Kolkata. And my specialization is in PR, advertising, and events.
Okay.
And now
Where
I'm
do you
working with
study?
LWT.
What is the organization
As
that
an-
you mentioned?
Yeah, sorry.
I couldn't hear the name of your organization.
Learning well.
Okay, what
Excuse me, Preeti ma'am, Yuraj
is
is in the
aspiration to
main
you?
room. Yuraj is in main room. Please let him in.
Okay.
Ma'am, he's waiting outside.
Okay.
He wants to enter
Sure.
the room. Preeti ma'am, please allow him.
Yeah, sure. Has he joined? Not yet.
Not yet, ma'am.
Not yet, yeah.
I think he is having some network issue.
Okay, so Vishal, shall we continue with Khushbu and Veena and Prateek today?
No, you can repeat with them for the remaining time.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking because
Yeah.
Yuvraj
Please,
is here.
please,
Yeah,
please.
Yuvraj is there. Yuvraj is there. Yeah. Yuvraj, am I audible to you, my dear?
Oh, his mic is not connected yet.
Okay, but he is
You
there
can
at
do it.
least.
Yeah, he's there, but if his mic is not connected, he cannot hear you also.
Mhm. I understand. Okay. Okay, so Veena,
You
going
can do
back
it.
to you.
Please. Yeah.
So Veena, going back to you.
Yes, ma'am.
2020 gave you what?
For me, it gave me LWT, the best thing with what it gave me.
Mm-hmm.
This was the thing which I needed a lot, because joining this LWT, I have in I have enhanced my knowledge in many ways, like in teaching also,
Mm-hmm.
taking the classes 6:30 to 7:30. In those classes, I was managed to teach the small kids, and at from 8 to 9 p.m. in these classes, I was able to handle some of the younger students, like from MBAs and different field.
Mm-hmm.
So this has enhanced my knowledge. So this is the best thing what happened in 2020.
Wonderful. We are so very proud to know that yes, we could be a kind of value addition to your life, and we are really delighted to know that. And thank you. I'm sincerely very thankful that you are taking us on such a big pride and being a part of LWT. I'm very, very happy to know this.
Thank
It
you,
is
ma'am.
being said that, yeah, pleasure is all ours. Thank you. It is being said that 2020 returned void. Do you agree to that?
Yeah, what, ma'am? Can you repeat the question? 2020?
Said that 2020 returned void. Void is a kind of a thing. It's in any many programming languages. When we say that it returns void, we intend to mean that it returns nothing. So people are trying to indicate Okay, people are intending to mean that 2020 returned nothing actually. Do you agree to this point?
No, ma'am. For me, 2020 was the best year in my life,
Mm-hmm.
because if COVID was not there, I could have not attended my online classes, because I was
Tell me three emotional parameters or three emotional factors that
first
2020 gifted you.
first one was school, because I was bedridden and I was not able to stand also. But due to COVID, all the classes were taken online, and I was able to take my classes. My principal allowed me to take the classes sleeping also. He told me, okay, ma'am, you can sleep, you can lie down, and you can take the class.
Sleep is the wrong word,
Sorry, lie
Vina.
down. You can lie down on the bed and you can take the class. So that
You
was the
can lay
best.
down and take the classes at your comfort.
This was the best thing what happened in my life, because I could have not attended any class of my
You
student.
are again missing my point, Vina.
The first thing,
I
emotional
asked
thing.
about
This was the
three
emotional thing.
sentiments. Three
This was the
sentiments.
this was
No,
the
no, 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 no.
because my students mean
You
a
are
lot to
again missing
me.
out.
They mean a lot to me.
You are willing
Hello.
to, please listen to me. Please listen to me. You are willing enough to talk, but you are not focusing on the question that is being asked. I absolutely understand your sentiment, but your sentiment is not addressing the answer. The problem is there, you have to understand. My question was, tell me the three emotional sentiments that you felt in 2020. You described the situation, but the situation does
Hello.
not answer or address the sentiment that you're intending to mean.
Hello.
Yuraj,
You are
please.
basically trying to, yeah, Yuvraj is there. I have seen that. I just want to
No, no,
conclude with you and then I'll
yeah,
move on.
he is continuously telling.
Yeah, I understood. Vina, my point of telling you this is something very simple. Your situation describes your sense of gratitude, right? So
Yes.
gratitude is the feeling that you should have addressed. You are again repeating the same thing. You have to work on this note really, really very seriously.
Mm.
I asked you what are the three sentiments that you value that 2020 gifted you. So this situation that you talked about is basically a feeling of gratitude.
Yes.
Okay. Joining LWT has given you a kind of a feeling of completeness and confidence, because you could finally join something which was a much needed stuff for a very long time. So this could be possible. This could be made possible due to this COVID period in 2020. So this is again a feeling of completeness and confidence.
Yes, ma'am.
And more importantly, 2020 gave all of us a very standard expression in terms of emotional parameters, which is realization. We all realize a lot of stuffs in life, which we were not being able to focus on when we all were running behind something, right? So this is how you have to address your answer as per the requirement of the question. Please understand that it is very easy to tell people story, but it is really very difficult to answer in the pinpointed words. You have to master that art.
Okay.
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 Yes, ma'am.
Could
I
I
have
make
written.
you understand?
Yes, ma'am. I have
Could I
written.
make you understand?
Yes, ma'am. I have written also.
Thank you, Vina. You're a wonderful human being, and it is anytime a delight to talk to you. But I just want you to be better and better and better. So I thought of telling you so many things.
I'm
Thank you.
learning a lot of things from here.
Thank you. I do learn a lot of things from you too. Okay. So Yuvraj, can you please unmute yourself, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yuvraj, tell me, what are your aspirations in life?
Ma'am, are you talking about what I want to be, like what I want to achieve in this time? Hello.
Be specific. Be specific to your answers. What are your aspirations in life?
So, ma'am, first I want to like get top marks in my matric exam, and after that, ma'am, I want to become an IPS officer. So this is only.
What do you do to achieve your aspirations?
What do I do? I just, ma'am, I just can, I just can do that thing properly to achieve that.
Can you be a bit specific?
So, like for my goal, I am working very hard. Yes, ma'am. For my goal, ma'am, I am working very hard. I am learning properly, and I am like doing all the things which an IPS officer should do. So just this.
Okay, your dad is there, Yuvraj?
Yeah.
Your dad is
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, sir. Happy New Year. Wish you all the very best in this new year 2021. Okay, I know that you want to be
Same
a
to you. Same to
motivational.
you.
Thank you. Thank you. I know that you want to become a motivational speaker, if I am not wrong, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I know what your aspiration is. Do you have any other aspiration in life except this?
Uh, yes, ma'am. I have some personal and in terms of health, and there are some health issue with me that I have set some goals regarding these things, and I want to be fit and healthy all the time till the end of my life, and for that I have made some routine for myself, and I am trying to follow that routine accordingly, and these are some things that are accept as a motivational speaker, ma'am.
Okay. How to differentiate aspiration from inspiration?
Uh,
Very short
inspiration,
answer.
yes, ma'am. Inspiration, uh, you can say it comes from inside, and aspiration may come from outside also, ma'am, but it can not come all the time from inside.
If you see a
It
very
may
successful man in your locality, will you not feel inspired? If you see
yeah,
somebody around who has grown very high out of a very average background in your known surroundings, will you not feel inspired?
yes, ma'am, definitely. Any successful person is definitely inspired, and he may not be inspired from outside. He is definitely inspired from inside.
Please make sure one thing, sir, that is whenever you are talking about inspiration and aspiration, stuffs like that, there is no inside, outside, borderline sort of stuffs for this. We just
Yes,
we
ma'am.
just feel like that, right? It really does
Yes,
not
ma'am.
mean whether I'm inspired by myself or I'm inspired by somebody else. Okay, or I'm inspired by Shah Rukh Khan or Amitabh Bachchan, or I'm inspired by somebody who stays in very near locality of mine. It really does not matter much. What matters
Yes,
is
ma'am.
that whether I am inspired or not, whether it motivates me or not. Okay. So
Yes,
inspiration
ma'am.
is that energy that drives you, that pushes you towards your aspirations. So it is basically, it's more like chasing a run rate in cricket match, right? So you know that
Yes,
what is the
ma'am.
required run rate, and you are just trying to chase it. And inspiration is the energy which helps you to chase your dreams, chase your aspirations. So please do not pop up terms like it can come from outside, it can come from inside. No, there are
Thank you,
nothing like that.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I'm
Please don't make,
understanding that what.
yes, yes,
Yes,
please
ma'am.
don't make answers like that. Please make
Yes,
sure
ma'am.
that you are saying such something only when you yourself are convinced with that. Otherwise, please don't say that, because otherwise
Yes.
unnecessary questions will pop up which you won't be able to answer. Okay,
Yes,
and the
ma'am.
answers will be self-complementary. It will be contradictory to each other, and finally you will fall flat. That is not your objective, right? Your objective is
Yes,
to
ma'am.
become successful. So for that,
Oh,
just say whatever you feel in your heart.
yes, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, everybody.
Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, everybody, for being here in the session. And here I wrap up for the session tomorrow. And I really look forward to meet you all in the next session with a wonderful topic of discussion to continue with. Thank you. Wish you Happy New Year once again. Take care, stay well, and good night. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.